Have you ever gazed up at the stars and wondered what mysterious forces hold them in place? Or marveled at how a tiny seed truly blossoms into a magnificent tree, producing the very air we breathe? These aren't just profound mysteries. They're compelling invitations to explore. And the universal key to unlocking them is science. Today, we're diving into the incredible world of science, not just a school subject, but a powerful, systematic way of thinking that has profoundly shaped our understanding of the universe and continues to drive all human progress. We'll explore its core principles, its rigorous methodology, and why its immense impact is felt in every corner of your daily life. At its heart, science is a systematic approach to understanding the natural and physical world through observation and experimentation. It's not just a collection of facts, but a rigorous, iterative process. We ask questions, form testable hypotheses, conduct experiments, meticulously analyze data, and then draw conclusions. This continuous cycle, known as the scientific method, ensures that our understanding is constantly refined and challenged, leading to reliable, evidence-based knowledge. From the vastness of cosmology, peering into black holes and distant galaxies, to the microscopic world of quantum mechanics, describing the bizarre behavior of particles, science encompasses an incredible spectrum of disciplines. Think of biology, unlocking the secrets of life; chemistry, exploring matter and its fundamental reactions; or physics, explaining the foundational forces of the universe. Just imagine the impact. Isaac Newton's laws of motion explaining why apples fall, or Rosalind Franklin's vital contributions to discovering the DNA double helix, revolutionizing medicine and genetics. Science is a continuous, awe-inspiring journey of discovery. Crucially, science isn't confined to labs. It's intricately woven into the very fabric of our daily lives. Every time you use a smartphone, take life-saving medicine, travel by airplane, or even just turn on a light, you're directly benefiting from countless scientific advancements. From developing sustainable renewable energy sources to creating advanced AI and innovative medical treatments, science offers robust, evidence-based solutions to our biggest global challenges. It empowers us to innovate, adapt, and intelligently build a healthier, more prosperous future for humanity and our planet. So, science is profoundly more than just a subject. It's a relentless, inspiring quest for truth, a robust method for understanding, and an indispensable catalyst for innovation. It teaches us to question critically, to observe meticulously, and to constantly seek new knowledge, tirelessly driving humanity forward. If you found this exploration into the essence of science as fascinating as we did, please hit that like button, share your own thoughts and scientific wonders in the comments below, and subscribe for more insights into the wonders of our world.